Alright guys, I'm going to go over page 2. Hopefully you can hear me and see me right now, and we'll see how it goes. This is just regular old algebra before we start with the inequalities, so hopefully this all sounds familiar. Starting with number 1 here. Our goal is to get x alone, so we're going to get rid of the times 2 and the minus 5 first. Remember, we always get rid of the term without an x in it, so we're going to go ahead and add 5 to both sides. Show that algebra step there. Bring our equal sign straight down. 17 plus 5, we end up getting 22. We get a 2x here. Go ahead and divide both sides by 2 to get rid of that times 2. And we're left with 1x, which you can just write as a x, equals 11. Number 2, 19 equals 3x plus 7. We want to get that x alone right there. We're going to get rid of the plus 7 first by taking away 7 both sides. Bring our equal sign straight down. 19 minus 7 is 12. We're left with the 3x over here, and the 7's are gone because 7 minus 7 is 0. We got to get rid of the times 3, so we divide by 3 both sides, and we get 4 equals x. Hopefully this is old news that you guys remember from a few units ago. We have x over 5 minus 6 equals negative 2. Uh-oh, negatives. No panicking here. All the rules remain the same. Take away 6 here. We're going to do the opposite and add 6 to get it to go away. Yeah, x over 5 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 5 to get rid of divided by 5, because that's the opposite. These 5's cancel. We're left with 1x equals 20. Number 4, 7 minus 4x equals 35. This is one people commonly get wrong, so we're going to start by taking away 7 both sides. Don't forget to bring down your negative sign with this 4x. We get negative 4x equals 28. This is a times negative 4, so to get rid of a times negative 4, we're going to divide both sides by negative 4, and we get x equals negative 7. Almost done. Number 5. Combine like terms first. Remember, work smarter, not harder. We get 9x combining those like terms. Combine the 3 and the negative 10 to get a negative 7. After we do that step, it's just a nice two-step equation. Add 7 both sides. 9x equals 27. Divide by 9. And x equals 3. And the last one here, we got the distributive property. We're going to distribute that negative 3, being extra careful with our negative signs. We get negative 6x when I multiply the negative 3 to the first term, and negative times a negative gives me a positive 12 for the second term. Take away 12 both sides, leaves me with 18 equals negative 6x. And then finally, to get rid of a times negative 6, we divide by negative 6, and we get negative 3 equals x. I went a little bit fast, but I wanted to keep this first video file as short as I could. Excellent.